Hi! Today I will show you the new image slider from GoHighLevel. Let's get started right away. We are back in our sub account and click on Sites. Initially, you will land on funnels, but we will now work within websites. Important to note, it works equally well in both funnels and websites. In this example, we are using my test website and I want to add the image slider to the homepage. Easily, we click here, scroll down a bit on the left side, and there's the image slider. One click and it's implemented. Now on the right side you immediately see slide 1, slide 2 and slide 3. Clicking on the first one, you can use the small image icon and access your uploaded images. Now I'm uploading 3 images from my folder via drag and drop, and there they are. We select the red image for the first slot, the blue one for position 2 and the purple image for position 3. And boom, our image slider is ready. Let's check it out. Save it using the top right button and then click preview. This is how the image slider appears without further adjustments. You noticed the image changed without any click. I think it's already a great feature, but we have many more options here. Besides being able to rename the image slider, you can also add more slides. For the fourth slide, I'm using the unrelated autumn picture. Further below, there's a CTA link where I can specify which URL the visitor will be directed to when they click on the image. Plus, I can decide if it should open in the same or a new tab. Here, you can adjust the height and width according to your image format. I mistakenly entered 2500 but meant to type 250. That looks good, and in my opinion, the width can stay as it is. Now we have an image slider that doesn't take up much space vertically. Clicking Advanced on the right reveals more options. For instance, you can adjust the pixel margin on all sides. I've set it to 10 and the image moved slightly down. Setting it back to 0 moved the image up again. Here you can set image borders. I entered 3 and there's a slight border. Entering 10 make the border much thicker. The border color can be changed to yellow, for instance. Corner radius adjusts the corner shape. I want rounded corners, so I've entered 20. You can decide if your border is dotted or dashed. Here you can set shadows and here the page break. You can also set how often the slides switch. You can choose if the slider should only be displayed in desktop view or only on mobile. Now let's see how it looks with our new settings. Now the image switches every 3 seconds. You can change the colors of the arrows here or make them move when you hover over them. As I said, try everything out. It's a fantastic feature. And if we are being honest, it does make quite a difference when there's movement on the website. Considering we created this in such a short time, it already looked pretty good. If you focus a bit more and utilize the opportunities, you will definitely be satisfied with your result.